This is Neat Bar Pro. This is a phenomenal solution for a medium-sized conference room like this, or even larger conference rooms. Like Justin mentioned, it has AI technology for people count, people finding, as well as deep noise suppression, right? Automatic mute for non-human sound and frequency, loud typers, chip bags, whatever it is. It's not distracting Gerard in the far end. This scenario, we have it connected into one monitor, but you actually can connect it into 3 monitors. So you can have people on the far end that you can see, as well as the content. This has 2 cameras built in, microphones. You don't need a bunch of devices and solutions, right? It's all in one. When you're designing a room like this, you need to take that into consideration, right? Ease of use and deployment. If it's hard to install, if it's hard to use, no one's going to use it. As well as clear audio and video. If I can't see you, if I can't hear you, the meeting doesn't happen. And lastly, cost and longevity of the devices, right? And Neat gives you that with Bar Pro. We're actually going to take you into another space and show you another layer of what Neat does.